Yes, beta. We'll move on to the revision of genetic code today. Okay, let's do genetic code. Sequence of nucleotides. That means what sequence are the nitrogenous bases arranged in mRNA. This sequence will decide that which protein will be made. This process is called translation. We have already done. Amino acids getting converted to proteins. So this process we already know is translation. So the sequence of these bases in the mRNA, this is your mRNA. It is already made from one strand of DNA. We had done transcription yesterday. So now this mRNA is made. These are all nucleotides. Okay. On your screen, if you see, these are all nucleotides. When I say nucleotides, I mean the sequence of bases. See, this is one codon, AUG. UAC, second codon. GUA, this is the third codon. Sequence of three bases determining a single amino acid is called a codon. First, we had already done that from DNA, how mRNA was made. We did this process yesterday. Now, after the RNA is made, so how are the bases arranged inside the mRNA? Let's see this. The sequence of nitrogenous bases. What is this genetic code? If you see, these are the nitrogenous base sequences in what? In mRNA. This sequence only determines that which protein will be produced. When I say three bases together, sequence of three bases, okay, this will determine a single amino acid. We call it as a codon. So there are two things on the screen that we need to understand very quickly. Okay. So ये क्या है बेटा? We had already done yesterday. From DNA, we had already made mRNA. कल कर लिया था ये. This process was already done yesterday. So this is your mRNA that you have got. In mRNA ये nitrogenous bases लगे हुए हैं. ये sequence है पूरा. अगर हम 3 base pairs को एक साथ लेकर के चले, so these three will determine a single amino acid. एक amino acid इससे बनेगा, एक इससे बनेगा, एक इससे, एक इससे, एक इससे. So basically 3 base pairs together से आपका एक amino acid बनेगा. और समझ में आ जाएगा अभी? George Gamow suggested that for coding of 20 amino acids, okay, we are talking about 20 amino acids, the code should be made up of 3 nucleotides. Okay, so there are how many codons? 64 codons. Codon का मतलब समझ गए आप? ये three bases together, 3 bases together, which will code for one amino acid. So ये codon है. So according to George Gamow, there are how many codons? 64. So according to George, if we have to find out the codes for 20 amino acids, and each amino acid should have 3 nucleotides. I've already told you, when we talk about an amino acid codon, it is 3 bases, 3 together. Okay, 3 nucleotides. So he said we should have 64 codons, 4 to the power 3. So 4 into 4 into 4. Then we had Hargobind Khurana, Indian scientist. He said he developed a chemical method in synthesizing RNA molecules with defined combination of bases. देखो बेटा, he was the one who said कि RNA जो हम बनाएंगे वो अपने हिसाब से बनाएंगे. Whatever combination I want, I will put these bases accordingly. I don't want AUG here, I'll put GUA over here. यहाँ पे CGU की जगह AUG कर देंगे. Chemically, he could do this chemically. So what is the role of Hargobind Khurana? He developed एक ऐसा chemical method कि जिसमें जो RNA बनेगा वो defined basis से बनेगा. मतलब ये जो RNA बनेगा ये हमारे अकॉर्डिंग बेसिस सीक्वेंस में लगेंगे जो हमें चाहिए. ये कर सकते हैं बाय आर्टिफिशियल केमिकल मेथड्स, एंड द मैन बिहाइंड दिस वाज हरगोविंद खुराना. देन वी हैव मार्शल निरेनबर्ग. He developed cell-free system for protein synthesis. Marshall Nirenberg, protein synthesis हो रहा है. We have already done protein synthesis. कल कैसे करेंगे? So cell-free system. What do you mean by cell-free system, children? Try break the word, you'll guess it. Not difficult to guess.
Outside the cell.
Yes, beta. Outside the cell, she says. Okay, good. Anyone else? जल्दी बताइए, what is cell tree translation system? Beta in vitro. Okay, this is beta in vitro मोड में अगर आप करते हैं तो इसे सेल ट्री बोलेंगे. Severo-Ochoa enzyme. This is the name of an enzyme. This is easier one to remember. Polynucleotide phosphorylase. The name of the enzyme is, yes, this is the name of the person, Severo-Ochoa. He said that this enzyme is needed. Polynucleotide phosphorylase is used to polymerize RNA with defined sequences in a template-independent manner. If we want to polymerize RNA, okay, with defined sequences, like we said, Hargobind Khurana, he said, I can put defined sequences. पहले से decide कर लिया यहाँ पे कौन सा sequence, यहाँ पे कौन सा sequence. अब decide तो हो गया बेटा, लेकिन इनको combine तो करना पड़ेगा RNA बनाने के लिए. We have to polymerize an RNA. So we'll need the help of which enzyme? Polynucleotide phosphorylase. What is the name of the enzyme according to him?
Polynucleotide phosphorylase.
Yes, beta, it is polynucleotide phosphorylase. So basically we are seeing कि जब RNA बन रहा है, so we have certain set of bases which are coding for amino acids. ये देखिए, ये इसको codon बोलते हैं. Sequence of 3 bases which will determine the amino acid. कौन सा amino acid बनेगा ये इस sequence पर depend करेगा. So this 3 bases का set which will determine the amino acid sequence is called codon. According to George Kenau, we have got 64 codons for 20 amino acids. Hargobind Khurana, he said that I can add on defined combination of bases, homopolymers and copolymers. If I want, I can put all the sequences same sequence together, तो homopolymer बन जाएंगे. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो alternate रख सकता हूँ, it will be copolymers. So he said, मतलब basically that I can arrange the sequences according to my way, कि पहले कौन सा आएगा, बाद में कौन सा आएगा. Marshall-Nirenberg cell-free system. And this enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase is used to polymerize RNA. Polymerize RNA means ये देखिए polymerization of RNA है. One codon, another codon, ये सारे monomers हो गए codons. They are all adding up. So this is polymerization of mRNA. But for this polymerization, according to Ochoa, we need an enzyme. What is the name of the enzyme?
Polynucleotide phosphorylase.
Yes.
Polynucleotide phosphorylase.
Yes. We just said 20 types of amino acids. So we have 20 types of amino acids which are involved in the process of translation. When we started, we said DNA directly cannot code for protein synthesis. It depends upon RNA. So here we are seeing how RNA-based sequences will code for the formation of amino acids or proteins. See, these are the 20 amino acids. You need not learn all of them. No problems as of now. Just come to this genetic code dictionary. This is important. We said 4 to the power 4 is equal to 64. 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 2, 4 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4. So how many have we got? 4 to the power 4. So how many combinations we are going to get?
64.
See how we are going to get this. 16 in each, 4 in each, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, 32, 48, 64. Now, how do we prepare this? If you remember, we had done dihybrid in class 10.
Yes, ma'am.
When we used to prepare those Punnett squares. You remember? Just do it in that way. UCAG is all that you need to remember. That's all. First, make these 16 boxes and then UCAG over here, UCAG on the top, and either her box ke andar piche bhi we are going to write UCAG. Can you see this also over here? This UCAG, either or piche jahiye. This is UCAG. So what is the sequence we remember? UCAG. Now it becomes very easy to determine the sequences. यहाँ से start करेंगे 3 U. What is the last one over there? See, U. Then UU. What is the second one there?
C.
C. Third is UU. I'll tell you another way. जिसमें इतना time भी नहीं लगेगा. Since we are doing U first, so write U over here. And then that same sequence which you had learned UCAG वो यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए UCAG. बस हो गया. U we are starting, so U. First two letters will be UU. And then the same sequence जो आपने left में लिया, ऊपर लिया, right में लिया, वही लगा दीजिए UCAG. Is it okay? Clear everyone? First box is done? Yes? Okay,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
first box, now let's do this. Chalo. See, look at this one, phenylalanine. What is PHE, children?
Phenylalanine.
Okay, easiest subject to study, PHE. So we'll put PHE 2 times. Okay. PHE followed by leucine, LEU. PHE we have, and next that we have is leucine. LEU means what? Leucine. Sometimes in the board exams, they will give you a code and they'll ask you coding for what amino acid. So it becomes very difficult. So you do it box wise. U के साथ आप simply याद रखो UU अगर first pair है तो UCAG चलेगा. First two are PHE and the next two are leucine. What was PHE?
Phenylalanine.
Phenylalanine. Now same thing beta. Now we are going to start from C. तो C ले लेंगे. ऊपर वाले को भी लाना है यहाँ पे. So we are going to have U after C. So CU. Because we are in the C box, so we'll take C first. ऊपर वाले को नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. So we're going to take U. Okay. And then again the same sequence I told you UCAG. Is it okay? ऊपर वाले को कोई नहीं छोड़ेगा first वाले को. Similarly, when we come to A, again we'll take what? U with it. AU. When we come to G, again we'll take U with it. GU. And UCAG will remain constant. This is a simple way of remembering the codons. Now, let us talk about the amino acids. The first two were phenylalanine, LE. Chaliye, very quickly. Yes, I showed you just now L. Yes, what is this? Leucine. Okay, children, what is the name? Leucine. We are just going to do the first line today. Over here in this time, leucine. Remember, leucine will come 6 times. This is another way of remembering. After 2 PHEs, we are going to have leucine how many times?
6 times.
6 times. So 2 PHEs followed by 6 leucines. Let's go back now. Yes, find this third one. Yes, anyone? Yes, bache, try. Look here. What is the word which is written? Hanji beta.
ILE.
AUU, we have AUC, and we had what?
IIE.
Yes. What is it?
IIE.
That's okay, but what is it? Yes, anyone? ILE, this is isoleucine. ILE, what is this? Isoleucine. Okay, beta, tell me very quickly. What is this? ILE is what?
Isoleucine.
Nothing to worry, nothing to hurry. We are just doing the first part today. Which were the first two? These were phenyl alanine. This is leucine, 6 leucines followed by isoleucines. And then what is this? MET. What is this? Any guesses? MET? Yes, Bacha? Anyone? Any guesses? This is methionine. Methionine. What is this?
Methionine.
And the last one is very easy. It is valine. VAL. What is it?
Valine.
Okay. Now let us have two pHs. Okay. Then how many? Tell me, how many leucines? 6 leucines. After that, how many isoleucines?
3 isoleucine.
Yes, and then we have methionine, and last one is very easy. It is all valine. The last one is all what?
Valine.
Let us do the first box only. How did we get the code? We started like this, U. All four are going to be U. And the sequence which we took outside. What was the sequence? UC, AG. What was the sequence? UCAG. Nothing to do. Simply U. First two letters. And the next are going to be simply UC and AG. UC, AG. Just the first box, children, first. We have done with the codes. Tell me in the first box. The first two code for what?
Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine and leucine.
And the next is for?
Isoleucine.
Yes, leucine. Just the first box first. We have learned the first box. The first two are phenylalanine and the next two are?
Yes, leucine and
Yes.
isoleucine.
Yes. So we have done with only the first one. I don't think there is any problem in writing this. C, because we have come to C, first we'll write C. ऊपर वाले को नहीं छोड़ सकते, U तो सबको लेना है. U को भी U लेना है, C को भी U लेना है, A को भी U लेना है, G को भी U लेना है. So you see UU, CU, AU, GU. Simple. And आगे वही UCAG, UCAG. First one, if you remember, तो बाकी सब easily learn हो जाएगा. In the first box, the first two were phenylalanine and the next two were?
Leucine.
Yes. Second box is very easy. All of them are the same. What are they? And the third was isoleucine followed by what is this? MET? Methionine. What is this? Methionine. MET. What is MET, children?
Methionine.
And G तो बेटा सब आप बहुत सिंपली याद कर लीजिए. G हमेशा ये वाला जो है G के साथ सीक्वेंस अगर GU आ गया पहले तो ये सब वेलाइन बनाएंगे. All GUs will make valine and all CUs will make leucine. इनमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आता. GU is valine, CU is all leucines. सिर्फ यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आएगा U and A में. Is it okay? This is the only difficult line that we have. Second line is very easy. Can you tell me the codes for this now? U we already have over here. So we're going to have U. What do we have on the top?
C.
So all of them, these here, UC and sequence wahi wala aage laga dijiye UCAG. Here we have C. So all the line would be C. ऊपर वाले को नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. So C तो सबको लेना है. Similarly, here we have A. ऊपर वाले को नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. So everybody is going to have C and with G. See this one, everybody will have as the second letter जो ऊपर लिखा है. If you see over here, ये A. A is going to come in the center. यहाँ पे G is going to come in the center. First letter is going to be this. Second is going to be what you have on the top. And the last is always the same sequence that we've just taken UCAG. Fine. Chaliye, let me do it more with you. We'll try and learn the first two boxes today. That is all. So when we made a box, how many boxes did we make?
16.
Total big
16.
boxes. I'm talking about 16 boxes we have made. What is the sequence that we are writing?
UCH.
Very good. It is UCAG. On the top also, on the left side also, on the right side also, everywhere it is UCAG. So here we'll have all U's. The top one is U and then UCAG. PHE 2 followed by this. Here we have all the same. Here isoleucines, methionine. And the last one, all code for what?
Valine.
Valine. Chalo, let me hide this. Chalo, tell me. In the first box, I'm starting from the left. First box, we have 4 amino acid codons. Can I have the name of the amino acids? The first two are?
Phenyl and lysine.
Yes, it is PHE, phenylalanine. Okay. The next two were?
Leucine, isoleucine.
Only the first box we are doing. Yes, PHE and which were the next two?
Leucine.
Yes, Beta, it is leucine. Very good. Now let's move on to the second box. What was there in the second box?
Isoleucine.
All are isoleucines?
Leucine.
Yes, Beta, all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about the third one?
Isoleucine and methionine.
Isoleucine and methionine. Last one again, all are.
Valine.
Yes, it is valine. So, if we see, you just imagine, don't write, imagine, we have U on the left side, right? What was the sequence which I told you to write on the left and the top and the right?
UCH.
UCAG. So in the first sequence, obviously, we are going to have UU. All are going to be UU this side. So UUU. Tell me the next one will be what?
UUC.
UUC. Next.
UUG.
UCAG. So UU. U. Next. UUC, UUG, and then
UUA.
Okay, now tell me, UUC. Tell me which amino acid does it code for? UUC. UUC will come on what number? First, second, third. Tell.
Second.
Very good. Second. So second means from the top when we said the first two were?
Phenyl.
Yes, it's phenylalanine. Very good. Now tell me, what is UUG?
Lysine.
Do you agree, children? Is it lysine?
Leucine.
Okay. Fine. So in the second box that we start, should I start with you or no?
No.
Yes, I should not start with you. I should start with what?
C.
Yes, very good. I should start with C. And what we had on the top, we are going to take this one CU, 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 and then UCAG. CUC codes for? Yes.
Leucine.
Okay. CUA?
Leucine.
CU2?
Leucine.
And CUG?
Leucine.
Yes, it's simple. So when you have a combination, any combination with Cu, there is no confusion. You can simply name it simply. Any combination with Cu will go like this. So we are starting with A, with U. Beta with AU, all others will go with leucine. Only AUG is methionine. So they generally ask you for AUG only. When we generally have the names, they'll ask you for AUG because AUG is a little different. All other combinations with AU were giving you what?
Isoleucine.
Only AUG gives you what?
Methionine.
Methionine. So UU combinations with UC give you PHE, but UU combinations with AG give you leucine. All CU combinations give you the same. All AU combinations give the same except for AUG, which gives methionine, and all GU combinations also give the same, that is phenyl. Okay, let us start now. Ananya, good morning.
Good morning.
Anshul, good morning. Anshul Verma, good morning. Yes. Ariba, you're there. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Ananya, ask for any one codon. Let us see. If Ariba is able to answer well and good, otherwise all of you help out Ariba. I mean, I just want the first boxes. That's all.
CUA.
Okay, guess Ariba. CUA. First, let her try. If she's not able to do, then help her out.
Ma'am, leucine.
Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ariba. Ready? Now you ask Ayush Gupta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ayush is there. Ariba, ask Ayush.
AUG.
First, let him try.
Isoleucine.
Try, beta. Otherwise, we'll help you.
Leucine.
Okay, others, tell the answer.
Leucine.
Methionine.
Okay, he has guessed it leucine. Is it correct?
No,
Tell me,
ma'am.
is it correct? Okay, what should be the answer?
Methionine.
Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ayush, now you ask. Ayush Gupta can ask Ayush Patel. Ayush Patel, are you there? Ayush Patel. Okay, Drishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Gupta, beta ask Drishti. Ask for any one codon sequence. She'll try to name the amino acid. What happened, Ayush? Ask. Array, some problem here, I suppose. Mansi, you ask Drishti. Mansi, ask Drishti.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, UUA.
Try Drishti.
Ma'am, leucine.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, Drishti, you ask Mansi.
GUA.
Okay.
Valine.
Try and answer. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvi. Now your turn. Sanvi will ask Shimail. Shimail, ready?
Yes, ma'am. UCC, CUA, CUA.
Try Shimail.
Leucine.
Yes, children, are you okay with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shimail, your turn now. You ask Sanvi. Shimail, beta, you ask Sanvi.
UGA.
She has thought a lot before asking. Yes, Sanvi, answer.
Leucine. Isoleucine.
Is it correct? Okay, any one of you ask a question from Soni Sharma. Any one of you, please ask.
AUG.
Yes, Soni, your turn.
Ma'am, methionine.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Soni, now you ask Shimail. Ask quickly.
CUG.
Shimail, try.
Ma'am, I didn't hear the question. What is the question?
Okay, you repeat it. You can ask her. Will anyone help her?
Ma'am, is Sony asking me the question?
Yes, Soni is supposed to ask you, beta. Soni, ask.
CUG.
Yes, try.
Methanoin.
Is the answer correct?
No, ma'am, it's leucine.
Okay, never mind. Shimail ask Sanvi and Sanvi will ask Mansi. Hurry up. Ask Shimail. Shimail ask Sanvi. Ask.
Who has to ask?
You ask Sanvi and Sanvi will ask Mansi.
UAG.
Sanvi answer.
UAG, we haven't done yet.
Yes. We have done UU sequences, AU sequences, CU sequences, and GU sequences. Okay, ask from these. Okay, ask again.
AUG. Methionine.
Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvi, your turn to ask Mansi now.
AUU. Isolation.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Just do one line in a day, it's absolutely okay. Later we'll write it also. Mansi, ask Drishti.
AUA.
Isolation.
Is the answer correct, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I think Ayush Gupta is not there, but Ayush Patel is there. Ayush Patel, you're there? Not there. Invisible man. Ayush Gupta is also invisible man. Ask. Ayush Gupta is there. Ask Ayush Gupta. Come on, Drishti, ask Ayush Gupta.
UUC.
Ayush, try.
THE.
Is it correct? Yes, children. Speak, Ayush.
THE.
What happened? No response in the class? Ayush, you ask Ananya. Okay, let's go forward. Ayush, ask Ananya.
AUA.
Yes, we have AU sequences. Ananya, answer. Children, you agree with the answer?
No, ma'am.
No. Everybody needs to learn this is a special codon AUG. This is important from examination point of view. AUG codes for what, beta?
Methionine.
Very good. And all AUs, other AUs, they're coding for what?
Isolation.
It's only AUG which is different, and in GU, though there is no tension at all. Wherever you have GU, it's going to be valine only. So what do we write on the left, on the top, on the right? What was the sequence?
UC. UC.
UC?
AG.
Yes,
AG.
very good. It is UC, AG. Very nice. And then we simply start from left side. We take UU. What will be the next letter? See UU, U. Next what? Just talk about the first two letters.
UUC. UUC.
Very good. And then we'll have what?
UUA. UUA.
Very good. It is UUA. Very nice. Okay, can I have the name of the first four amino acids, the first box?
Phenylalanine, leucine, and valine.
See, the last one is also very easy because all of them code for what? Very quickly, last thing to do. All of them code for?
Valine.
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 Chale. Okay, beta, it's time for your break now. God bless you all. Bye, beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you.